Have you ever wondered how you can multiply your wealth without needing to be a millionaire? In this video, we'll unlock the secret to becoming a successful real estate investor without the need for a substantial initial fortune. Investing in real estate has traditionally proven to be an effective strategy for wealth generation. This is due to a set of key factors that have made this form of investment attractive and successful over the years. First and foremost, real estate tends to appreciate over time. The demand for properties continues to grow as the population expands, typically resulting in a consistent increase in property values. This long-term value appreciation has attracted investors seeking a secure method to grow their wealth. Furthermore, real estate investment offers passive income in the form of rents. This provides a steady cash flow, particularly appealing to those looking for regular income without the need for active involvement in investment management. However, despite its numerous advantages, real estate investment has a significant limitation: the requirement of a substantial initial capital. This financial barrier can deter many people from entering the real estate market. The reason behind this financial hurdle is that, often, a significant upfront investment is needed to acquire a property, which excludes those lacking the necessary financial resources for property investment. Given this, let me take you on an exciting journey into the world of real estate investment trusts, REITs. Imagine you find yourself at a crossroads. You want to venture into the lucrative real estate market, but lack the capital needed to acquire physical property. Are you wondering if there's an affordable way to invest in real estate without straining your budget? This is where REITs make their grand entrance. They function like publicly traded real estate stocks, enabling you to invest in commercial and residential properties without the need to be a property owner. But here's the best part. By law, REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their income as dividends to investors. This translates into a reliable source of income for you. How about receiving dividends from high-performing properties without worrying about property management and maintenance? Moreover, REITs provide access to various segments of the real estate market, from offices and shopping centers to apartments and hotels. Consider the benefits you gain from investing in REITs. Access to real estate investments on a limited budget. REITs enable investors with limited resources to participate in the exciting world of real estate investments. You can acquire REIT shares with an affordable initial investment, opening the doors to the real estate market without the need to be a millionaire. Regular income with minimal investment. REITs distribute most of their income as dividends, providing you with a source of regular income without requiring a substantial upfront investment. This is especially beneficial if you're looking for passive income on a limited budget. High liquidity. Unlike physical property investment, REIT shares are traded on the stock market and offer high liquidity. You can easily buy and sell. Worry-free professionalism. With REITs, you benefit from professional and expert property management without having to deal with tasks such as maintenance, tenant search, or legal issues. The professionals behind REITs handle everything, freeing you from responsibilities often associated with real estate investment. Transparency and regulation. REITs are regulated by specific laws, ensuring transparency in management and accountability. This is especially valuable for investors, as it provides a robust legal framework that protects their interests. Long-term growth potential. Regular income and property value appreciation in their portfolio can increase your wealth over time. Global diversification. Some REITs invest in properties worldwide, providing you with the opportunity to diversify globally, particularly appealing in an interconnected world. This can help reduce risk and tap into international opportunities. So, REITs are the perfect solution for those looking to enter the exciting world of real estate investments with a limited budget. If you want to learn more about smart investments and financial tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We're here to help you reach your financial goals.